Hindi mo naman binubuksan, pinapaputok mo eh. Ayun na, oh.
Wow! Wow, that box is fun. Hey, don't open it, me. Ako dadawa yan.
Okay,
Ano ko din ko?
I'll go.
Wow! Sorry.
Ah. Use this one, the small one. Dito, oh. Ipit mo to. Ang harangan yung video. Dito pa. Ito. Ayan. Oh, ito pa, this one. Go. See.
Wow!
Try to pull it.
Wow!
Ah. The rest. Ito pa. Hindi pa kaya. Uy! Ayan.
Oh, paputok. Wow.
Lain. Ay, parang kapusik. Go. Pull. Ayaw pa.
Wow.
Wait lang. Huwag mo munang hilahin. So hard to pull. Ano po yun? Ah! Saan po? Saan? Wait, post mo mo.
Guys, I got a necklace.
It's not a necklace.
Oh, it's a braid.
It's like keychain.
Yeah.
So, show it to your Tita Joy because Tita Joy is the one who buy this. Oh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Show your face.
Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, guys. Guys, this is massive.
Massive. Lalim ng English mo na ka. So, dapat meron tong kasama 2 more.
I think
It should have a lunch box. Oh, it's inside. Wow.
there is this is the lunch box.
Yes, and supposedly it
No,
should...
this is for the quarters.
Yes.
This is for the quarters.
And where is the...
This is
Kulang pa to. Kasi kailangan meron.
what?
Meron pa lang naman to.
Ah, dito yun.
Can you open that one? Oh, wala yung pencil case. Oh.
Camera sila. Wow.
Ayun, nasa loob pala. So, it has a pencil case. This is the lunch box. And this is the bag.
But where's the other
What will you
two?
say to your Tita Joy?
Thank you, Tita Joy. Rider. I'm a rider.
Teka lang, gaganyan kasi yan. Wait.
Parang
Picture ka muna, dali. Show mo.
nabuto.
Ayan, isa. Masisira eh. Show mo muna picture.
Amo tralala, tralalelu, trala, tralalelu, trala, tralalelu.
Si Daddy na mag-aayos ito. Kasi wala pa.
Where's the other two?
Ano, pwede ko na mag-aayos.
Ano sila, scammer?
Hindi sila scam.
Di ba dalawa?
Yes. Hold it.
Scammer
Upo
sila.
ka dyan sa tabi. Show mo yan.